Hello folks, welcome to Start Coding Tamil. This is your Divya. I'm basically making a channel to learn how to code. If you are a beginner, this video tutorial will help you how to code. If you might interested in this, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about interface. Okay, so let's get started. What is interface? When to we use interface? So in inheritance, we know inheritance, right? It's like we are deriving a sub data attributes and methods from the superclass for the subclass. So to inherit the data attributes and methods from more than one superclass, it cannot be we cannot do in inheritance like using extend. In Java, we have another way to implement the multiple inheritance called interface. So whenever you want to implement a multiple interface, you have to use interface. Okay, it means if you want to, for a subclass, if you want to inherit the data attributes and methods more than one class, you have to go for interface. So here we have in interface we have some uh, restrictions. So the first one is to declare, for if you take an abstract class or a normal class, we can declare a variable, whether it is a static or constant, anything you can declare. But in interface, the variable should be public, static, and the final. And in interface, we don't have any constructor because it cannot be instantiated. And the third one, important one is here all the methods in the interface should be public, abstract, and non-static. Okay, it doesn't have any body for that method. So that's today. This is the three main things for the interface. Please have it in your mind because this is the three things which will be important points to whenever you are going to implement the interface. So let's see an example for an interface class. So here I'm having I created a class called Turner, okay, which is the interface. It has a method called public abstract void turn. Okay, turn is a method. Then I have another class called page here, which implements the turner. Okay, so here whenever we are using an inheritance, we use extend. So here we can use implements. Okay, instead of in interface we will use implement turner. So what I'm gonna to do is I'm going to create a new class, new Java class called leaf. Okay, here in this leaf, the leaf is going to implement, I'm going to implement the method which is from the turner. So for that I have to do implements so now you can look at here, it shows an error. So when I right click it, I have to implement the methods. So it is saying you have to implement the override method. So I'm just override the implement. Here what I'm going to give, I'm going to say changing colors. Okay, so the next one is I'm going to create another class called pancake. It's going to implement turner. So when I use turner, okay, so it will implement the method called turner. So here I'm going to use flipping. Okay, so flipping. So this is all about interface. Let's see, in the main class I'm going to create an object for the classes, okay, because we cannot create object for, we cannot instantiate the interface, but the subclasses can instantiate and access those methods. So now I'm having a leaf, so new leaf equal to so now it is going to be new leaf dot turn. Okay, then I have a pancake, so pancake new cake equal to new pancake. So C should be capital. Now I can call cake dot turn. So here you can see, now when I run this program, you can able to see I have the same method. I'm accessing the same method from different classes so that I can able to display the data of different classes. See, in new page I'm having going to the next page. In new leaf, in the turn method I'm having changing colors. In cake.turn method I'm having flipping. So I'm having a same method with different feature, right? Different text. So for this case we will use interface. I hope you enjoy this session and see you in the next video. Thank you all.